Hello, lovelies, and welcome to my channel. I'm Truly Tara, and here I do reviews on makeup and skincare. And I'm now getting a lot of just different types of boxes. This box is called Paradise Delivered. Make sure that you like, subscribe, and comment. I'm trying to get to 100. I can't believe that I'm even close to 100, but I've been stuck at 89 for a couple of days. So if we can get me up to 100 by Wednesday, then I want to send out a little Lorella bag and fill it full of stuff. And probably just whenever I get to 100, that's whenever I'll do it. But I was really hoping to get it done by Wednesday, but it doesn't look like that's going to happen. And that's okay. It seems like I have growth just here and there, just little spurts. Okay, so like I was saying, I have Paradise Delivered. This is a newer box for me. I got one other one, and I have not looked in this at all. So you're gonna go through, or I'm gonna go through it with you, and you're gonna see my actual reaction to what I get. I can't remember being blown away with the first one, so let's hope that I am with this one, because if I'm not, then this will be it for this box. So let's unbox this. All right. All right. So this is Sunset Park, and it's a candle. And it smells pretty good. Let's see. Okay, so lavender, and that's a $20 candle, all natural, slow burning candle, and a decorative tin. So yeah, and this is supposed to be all about relaxation, like a TheraBox and all these boxes. Like, it's supposed to be therapeutic for you, and I don't know. So let's move on. Okay, so next is SOS. Okay. Oil Balancing Mousse Cleanser. Another mousse cleanser. Wow. What is the deal with all the mousse cleansers? Okay. So it is literally called SOS Oil Balancing Mousse Cleanser, and it is $16. This foaming daily cleanser infused with tea tree oil. I hate tea tree oil. And witch hazel extract removes makeup and impurities while helping to purify and balance the skin's natural oils. Okie doke. So next is Amalia Rue. Oh, it's first thing. Oh, okay, it's a necklace. Okay, I was thinking it was some. I was scared to open it. I didn't know what. Okay, so this is saying it's 54 bucks. Achieve a polished layered look with this elite set featuring a gold-plated multi-strand chain link layering necklace and a heavier solid single strand necklace, each with zirconia touches throughout. Single strand necklace measures 3.5 and 6.5 extender. Okay, I'm not gonna, like, that's it. So, I mean, that's cute. That's cute. I like silver. I really don't like gold that much. Okay. All right. Next we have Emasis Skincare 24K Gold Collagen Eye Masks. Now, I like this a lot. Okay. So 24K Gold Collagen Eye Masks. Revive the look and feel of your eyes with these under eye masks infused with 24 karat gold. The skin-loving formula in each mask will visibly brighten and hydrate your eyes while minimizing the appearance of the lines, or of fine lines and wrinkles. Okie dokie. Next we have a book. Good Vibes, Good Life. And it is $17 by Vex King. I just don't read a lot anymore because my eyes and I just can't read like I used to. I was in a car accident, and since the car accident, my brain hasn't been able to retain information the same way that it used to. I used to really love to read, but you know, it sucks. But okay, so next we have a Kind Bar. So that's cool. Um, $2, almond butter dark chocolate. So I will definitely be eating this in my sleep because I just have a really bad habit of eating chocolate while I'm asleep. Okay, so next we have Kaleido Cosmetics blush. Let's see here. Where are we at? Okay, it is $18. This super soft luminous blush full of true to pan pigments lets you layer on a rapturous glow with no fallout or chalkiness. Vegan, cruelty, talc free, and paraben free. I guess we'll go ahead and open it and see what she looks like. Oh, that's an interesting color. It's not. And it has a little balloon, like uh, what do you call those balloons? A sky balloon? I can't believe I can. Okay, I'm gonna shut up. Make a fool out of myself. Okay. Next we have Empower Her Cuticle Oil. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Pomegranate infused cuticle oil. Protect, replenish, and strengthen nails with this ultra moisturizing, quick absorbing cuticle oil infused with pomegranate and sweet almond oil. Apply and massage into each cuticle following hand washing. So that's good. I don't have anything like this. I don't do my nails. I know for me to be like all skincare and makeup and stuff, like I should have my nails done, but anytime that I've ever done my nails or had them done, like they just mess up my nails, really. Like I've had my nails done a couple of times, and it just seems like I just mess with them and break them, and then it breaks my actual nail, and it's just I don't know. And then if I put nail polish on, then I end up like I just I'm not that I'm bad about it. Okay. So that cuticle oil was $22. Wow. Okay, so I think this is last but not least. Yes. Pomegranate Vita C repairing serum. Interesting. Let me find it. Okay. Yeah, here we go. Kushi Naturals Pomegranate Vitamin C repairing serum, $32. Love your skin with this rejuvenating and repairing serum infused with vitamin C, pomegranate oil, and real fruit extracts. So, that's cool. I haven't heard of Kushi, I don't think. So I don't know. I'm a little indifferent about this box. It wasn't blow me away. But you know, like this is, I don't know. It just, I don't want to put it down. I'm not putting it down. Because there was some really good stuff in it. The thing is all of these boxes are so similar, and they just have, it's just nothing's like jumping out like, wow, I'm so happy I got that. I love serums. I think the best thing out of this was probably the um, collagen eye masks, and I really like the candle. The necklace, I don't know. Like, I figure that they think that that's probably I don't know. Um, so it says that that's $207 worth of stuff. And, this is another like 30 something dollar box. So yeah, I think that I'll probably be letting this one go. I just have too many of these coming in right now, and it's just not blowing me away. So that'll be all for this one. I ordered Charlotte Tilbury mystery box today. Like, that's where my true love lies, is like, and that's what I'm really going to start sinking my money into. And I think that that's what you guys really like to see, is, my videos, they get the biggest views on like Chick and uh the bigger boxes. I mean, that's what you guys want to see. These boxes really don't seem to do it for me or you. So, all right, I'm going to end it there, and I'll see you guys in the next. Bye.